How do you share studio samples in a digital world when none of us are meeting our clients in person? Hi, I'm Susan Stripling, and I haven't met a client in person in 5 years, but I still sell them prints and albums. Let's talk about how. Many photographers, as I said, no longer meets clients in person. We book digitally, we send pricing online, and we communicate with our clients through email and text. So the obvious question is, how do we show the value of albums and prints when our clients never actually touch them? This video is going to cover building a sample kit that photographs well, using Printique products to elevate your digital brand, how to place products into your sales process, creating short video content to show scale and craftsmanship of those products, and a simple call to action structure that encourages your clients to print. First, we're going to talk about building that sample kit for online selling. Now, we think if the client can't feel the product, they're not going to want it, but that's not true. If the client can't feel the product must look great on camera. When you're working with choosing your samples for your brand, you want to choose samples that show your storytelling spreads clearly, that reflect your brand's visual style, that include strong textures you can highlight in close-ups, and that offer variety without overwhelming the viewer and potential client. Printique leather-bound albums thrive in this environment. The covers photograph cleanly, spreads hold crisp detail, and the materials read well in natural light. Your sample kit then becomes part of your digital content, something regularly seen, not just occasionally brought out. Next, you're going to want to make sure that you upgrade every client touchpoint. We can't expect our clients to understand the value of print if they never see it. So you want to make sure that you feature these Printique products across your website galleries, in your pricing guides, in your inquiry follow-up emails, make blog posts showing finished albums, do social media highlights, and the gallery store at delivery. Printed products influence how clients interpret the cost. When the final deliverables look elevated, pricing feels intentional. The luxury of these products must be visible in your buying journey. Then you want to put products in your sales funnel. If you want clients to value your albums, you need to show them often. First, in the inquiry phase, include one strong album image in the first email or web page that they see. In the pre-wedding phase, guide excitement around storytelling, how the album is going to bring the day together as a final deliverable. Then in the gallery delivery phrase, highlight Printique print and album options in your shop or in follow-up sequences. Every single touch point reinforces the idea that a physical product is expected, not optional. Now let's talk about short-form video for scale and texture. Still images communicate quality. Video communicates presence. So some simple ideas: page turns filmed slowly, fingertips touching the leather texture, showing album thickness by holding the spine towards the camera. You could place a framed print on the wall to show scale, do a quick before and after of a digital thumbnail versus your final print. These videos don't need a lot of narration. The physical qualities become your message. Keep it short, keep it clear, and keep it real. Now, featured Printique products to highlight. Leather-bound albums. They photograph and film beautifully. They help clients see the narrative structure and the craft behind your delivery. Fine art and photographic prints. Small sets look great online. Show paper texture, tonal accuracy, and how prints work in frames. For wall art options, metal, acrylic, canvas, and framed photographs demonstrate scale and placement in the home. These are really strong for post-wedding sales. Album cover options. A few cover examples can showcase color and texture in close-up shots. Everything you show online supports the same message. This work deserves a physical home. Selling prints and album digitally, it's not harder. It just asks us to show the product differently. Printique gives photographers the tools to showcase premium products in virtual spaces. When clients see albums and wall art throughout their experience, they understand the value before they even touch the product. So here's a simple next step for you. Order one album sample from Printique. Photograph it in daylight or on a clean surface. Add those images to your pricing guide and your email inquiry the week you get it. One product can change how clients view your entire services. Thank you so much for joining me. I love to help answer questions and help you fit Printique albums and wall art into your online sales flow. Hopefully this gives you a good place to get started, and I can't wait to see what you make.
Easter egg.
Right.